You have reached on a right place. You are a student, working professional, job seeker, or a small business owner. You will be getting the lots of information beyond your expectation regarding digital marketing, AI tools, graphic designing, video editing. We are covering a lot and we are ready to provide you a plethora of information related with new era technology. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out this opportunity and register now. Click the link below and register and grab your position. We will be meeting you in the upcoming transformation workshop and you will be getting a lot more. And this 90-minute workshop can resolve your 9 year of obstacles. If you want to really searching someone who can resolve your all kind of issues like communication skill, like digital skills, so if you are lacking in these fields, so don't miss out this opportunity because that will be absolutely free. If you want to achieve something in your life other than that, so don't miss this opportunity. Your 90 minute can change your 9 years of waiting. So don't miss out. Please register this link and see you in our upcoming digital transformation workshop. Till then, take care. Bye bye.